It's pretty late right now and I'm pretty tired, so but I still haven't made this YouTube video, so I'm just gonna go over the theoretical trade that I took today. I'm not gonna be taking any trades until I'm 18 from here on out, just so I can get rid of my FOMO within the markets, but I will be watching the charts every day. So yeah, as you can see, just based off that, the trade was pretty decent. But I'll just go right back to the very beginning. Let's see. Alright. Wednesday, Thursday. Wait, what? Why can't I get rid of this? Alright, I'll just do this. So on the daily, as you can see on the daily, this is from last week, we're bullish. Just inverse this fair value, daily fair value gap, and yeah, we're going up. There's this daily fair value gap right here that I had marked out, and this daily bearish fair value gap right here that I had marked out. Alright, coming on the 4 hour now. Let me go into my bar replay. Let's see here. Thursday, Friday. Alright. So this is what it looks like coming into the day. We have this 4 hour fair value gap that I noticed on the 4 hour. What the? Okay, I guess that's that. We have this 4 hour fair value gap right here. 4 hour liquidity right here. 4 hour liquidity right here that just got swept. And this 4 hour liquidity. So realistically, if I was bearish or bullish, this wouldn't be very good looking at the charts right here just because of the sweep, but that's okay. We also are in, I'm pretty sure, equilibrium of this. A little past, so I guess not. So that's basically it for the 4 hour. We inverse this huge 4 hour fair value gap, so that's pretty bullish confirmation. Sorry, my camera's a little close. On the 1 hour, we have this hourly fair value gap right here. Pretty small, but right there. There's also hourly lows right here for liquidity, and that's basically it on the hourly. Oh yeah, and there's these highs right here, equal highs, as well as this right here. So that's basically it for the hourly. Still bullish, as you can see, prices trending upwards. So now we go to the 30 minute. 30 minute, there's this like kind of order block right here that price is also in, so I'm thinking there's going to be a reaction off of this 15 minute. We do have this 15 minute fair value gap right here as well as this one, but we just filled a 4 hour bullish fair value gap. So yeah, and I'm just going to mark out market open, which is at 9:30 right here. So wait, let me see which one's the 4 hour fair value gap. This lower one is the 4 hour fair value gap. Alright, so we basically wait for, I'm just waiting for a break of structure on the 5 minute now. And we can play through this. No break of structure, no break of structure. 4 hour gets tapped into right here. I know it's kind of hard to see. I'll remove this actually. The 4 hour gets tapped into right here with this 5-minute candle. And there's a nice wick. So now we're waiting for a. Let me get back to market open. Boom, market opens there. Now we're looking for a break of structure. On the 5-minute after we fill this order block, fair value gaps. So we just play through, no break of structure yet. Boom, break of structure. So now I'm waiting for a 5-minute fair value gap to enter off of, which as you can see there's lots of wicks here. There's no liquidity sweep, so realistically this trade wasn't ideal. It didn't follow my trading plan, but there was a lot of confluences with it, the trade. So 5 minutes, this is all time going by. This is why you need a good like area set time to trade, because if you're just like trading random times or just only able to trade like 30 minutes, you won't be able to wait for price to develop. So boom, right here. Let me go back a little. Yeah, right here. This is exactly the spot. Alright, so as you can see, boom, this 5-minute fair value gap has just been formed right here. It's not the biggest, but right there. And we inversed this 5-minute fair value gap right here, and this one with that fair value gap. So pretty bullish. So now I'm going down to the 1-minute time frame to decide when I should enter with a reaction off of this. So we wait, boom, boom, right there. Take longs when price came into take longs, I guess, after the candle reaction. That's probably the best. But I think I would have waited for the pullback right there, and I would have got filled somewhere around this area. And I would put my stops below these lows right here and target this high first and then this high for a 1 to like 1 to 3 1/3 if you want to be all mathematical. So boom, I entered in the trade right here. I actually didn't, but this is what it would be like if I did the theoretical trade this morning. So as you can see, boom, let me go back to the 1 minute and we'll let price go for a little. Alright, boom, take profit 1 hit. I would have moved my stops to break even and taken partials off. So now my stops are at break even and we're waiting, and I put my stops below that. Keep going. We have this consolidation range. This is what it looks like on the 5-minute. But then we break above this high, which was what we previously swept right there. That's why that was the take profits. Was right there actually. But we swept it and had to move down, but we continue to stay bullish. And play this. As you can see, price takes a long time to actually hit the second take profit. Not until like 1:30 in the afternoon for New York time, which is like 11:30 my time. So yeah, and then basically throughout the rest of the day, just kind of keeps going up. And yeah, that was the trade. I would have sold right here, actually not up here, but that was a theoretical trade I took. So yes, it was a winner. I would have made probably a decent amount of money from it. And I just also like looking back at this, telling me that if your daily bias is correct and you have a good understanding of your daily bias, then the chances of your trade being successful and like the fair value gaps actually working and going in the right way is way higher. As you can see on also this Friday, 2 red folder news days, and so yeah, market is probably going to move from these news events, which that's also good. We did have a red folder yesterday, but market was not moving that good. But I didn't like trade it, I guess. So yeah, that's basically all I have for today. Yeah, make sure you go like my other videos and subscribe.